Yadas is now live. Streaming software and game development.
All right.
Game dev. Come say hi.
All right, it works. Good. Alrighty. All right. Yeah, everything works. Good. Wait, I could maybe listen into the stream real quick. Yeah, seems to work. All right. Check. What do I want to do? I wanted to try and make this visible. But no, it won't work. It will not work the way we thought it might work. Also, I just noticed. Let me fix that real quick. If that works. Check, check. Okay. That should work now. All right. I don't know what to do because this isn't doing what I thought it would do. So because this is a sprite, it won't work. That way I need I need to add a texture, I think. We'll try that again.
Hello.
Hello. As you can see, you see nothing. And I don't know why. Does this do?
You need a light source to interact with a normal map.
Sure, I can add one. I don't think that's it. Ignore this one for now. This is just for me. Wait, this one. That's the one that should be showing up. I can also move it and it doesn't show up. I don't know why. What I've seen that you can do is if you close this. If this would be a normal sprite, like let's say it's black or white or something. And if you then go to the, where was it? Was it in here? Import settings. This is a normal map now. It's 2D. But you can also make this a sprite, I think. Let me see. How do I do that? Right, like this. Save. And then you can go to sprite editor. This, and then you can add secondary textures. And here you can add a normal map. Like this. And is this the normal map? It looks like it, right? Like that. And then apply. But this texture would need to be something else. You know? And then it might work. What could I guess I could make a
Could you
quick-
add a normal map to a 16 by 16 texture with no alpha?
Yeah. That's what I wanted to do now, but I could take a which sprite can I take? Could create one real quick. A sprite. New file. 16 by 16. White. Like this. Should I draw something on it? Like that. Images.
But it has alpha.
It does? Let me check real quick. Just put it in here for now. I will probably remove that later. Is it still with alpha?
White plus the blue as far as I could tell.
I should see it here, so I'm checking if I can see it here somewhere. It's automatic. I guess I could do this, and then it shouldn't, right? Right. Right? Make this bigger, like these, apply. I hate that. Where is it? What was the thing? It's in the...
In
Right.
Aseprite you could create a new project and save it as it is.
Yeah, but I don't wanna load it as an Aseprite file. You know what I mean? Then let me just try this out real quick. I don't see any changes though. I think that did nothing. Guide me a little bit. Create a new project. I mean, I did open this as new. There, and instead of RGBA, you mean here? Go for what, indexed? Is that what you mean? And then...
Sending you something.
All right. Send me something. I don't see shit, whatever you said. It's invisible. It is invisible, my dude. Save image. Empty. Alright, I'm not save this. I'm gonna delete this one. Delete. I'm gonna pull it in. Like this, okay? I'm gonna set it to 16. I'm gonna click apply. I'm gonna set this to no point, apply. I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna add the secondary texture normal. And I'm gonna load the, where is it? This one? I think it's this one. And then apply. And then I'm gonna move it in here and I don't see any difference. Nothing happens, right? It's just empty. Should be here. Yeah. No changes, apparently. I could try and make it like in front. Let's say 100. Nothing happens. I guess these secondary textures only work for if there's something behind it on the same sprite, maybe. You know what I mean? But I'm also not sure. Oh, you need a light source, but the light source is here, right?
Might be.
There is a light source there. And nothing changes.
Did you watch the video you sent me?
No, I had no time. Which one was it? Was it the 2D secondary textures? Or the one with the sword?
Sword.
Spot the difference between these two sprites. You can see it better in the example here. The sprite with the normal map on the left washed out whenever the strong light, and it's definitely more in depth in the station and over. And I wouldn't make a really because it works the same for everything. And paste it into a new file in a similar way with. Click on the canvas texture again.
He's doing it in Godot, whatever, right? Yeah, Godot engine.
Alright, drag and drop. There we go. Your diffuse sprite in the diffuse.
Oh, true.
There we go. It's plugged into the item. Obviously, if your arc direction doesn't necessarily work,
I think we need to first make it the easy way, like the way it's supposed to be used for items, basically. Make, for example, the tree interact with the light source, for example. And then we can figure out if we can make it work for effects. You know? I think that would be... You have to start somewhere to build it up. Right now, I can't even do the first one, the easy one. You know?
I'll add you something else. Please replace the empty texture with it.
Sure. I can do that. I renamed it so I can keep both, just so you know.
This should have about 50% opacity.
Right. Apply no filter. I'm gonna move it in there. Yes, it does. And you that sprite secondary texture. I don't think anything changes when I do that, man. Did something change there? Like, this looks exactly the same. And then the texture is there. Wait, you can see it here, huh? I'm gonna close this real quick so I have.
Interesting.
A little bit weird. Normal map 2D. Point no filter. Apply. Oh. Why is it like? Why is it like that? No, this.
The grass has the same color.
Yeah, but still, why is it not? It lured it in here, right? Shouldn't it overlap? And if I put it on here, just it just turns it invisible. Wait. All right.
Lol.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening. That's the main issue. Need to, like I said, need to first understand how to make it work the way it was intended, and then we can try stuff with it. Why is there no map? There's a secondary map down here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna rewrite all of that, and I'll try once I figured out how this it all works.
All right.
Why can't I? Do I have to delete also? Delete. Let me just update once again so it's resetted. And there's something not set. What's not set? Jesus, that's a lot of errors. Player facing has no value. Like that?
I'll leave for some time. See you later.
See you later. Let me check what Hans did in the other scene so I can figure out what's wrong. Player. He did take the player transform. Yeah, he did. He has the grid in there, the face interaction, the selection tile. And no errors. Okay. And if I go back to the farm, play that. Okay, no errors right now, but seems a little bit weird. This is this facing direction. North. Okay, I mean, it looks correct, but it also doesn't look correct. Why is it like that? Why is it? Why is it off? What happened again? Why? Is it the same way here? No, here it's correct. Why is it here correct? Oh, he generated that. He generated this one. Nice. Where is the grid? I am confused. There's a spawner. There's a player. There's a player placeholder here for some reason. Offset 0.5. The water, the grid. The grid has no offset. What about these? They also don't have any offsets. Just with the way it's set up there. Okay, let me go over here and see what it's look. Oh, this one's not offset again. Why did he why is it offset again? Why is it offset again? And by 0.5 of all things. Why? Why is it 0.5 offset again? I mean, that way it's correct then, right? Yeah. Wait. All right, so revert that real quick. Create a new empty. Make it 0.5. Copy that, paste it. All right. And then move the grid object in there. Oh, I don't need these circle thingies. What is that? I also don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. What's this? Nothing. Okay. All right. That's it, right? Oh, I forgot to put the grid back. 0, 0. Third objects. -1, -1. Right. Okay, now this is fixed too. Good. Commit this real quick. Create new branch. Hotfix farm. Wait. Wait and push. Push it. And then we will check out the animation. Play animation. All right. Squash and merge. Merge. Switch back to main. Check out. And update. Okay. Fetching. Reload. Updating. Merging. Processing. Reload again. All right. New branch. Hotfix animations. Great. All right. Here's what we'll do, and this is gonna suck. This is gonna suck real bad. Oof. I have fixed the player over here, right? So if I move this in here. I don't like that down there. But I think that's the same issue for the other players. So if I go in here, take a look at the model. -5945. Yeah. But it's a little bit closer to the middle, right? I can just do this instead. Right? So then the other question is, how do I import this? That's my main issue. How do you import Aseprite files into Unity without losing the connection? One year ago, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, 4 years ago. Old stuff.
Okay. Today you want a new line web, just include sort of like create a new folder and spreadsheet. You can like that in all of the animations, and it set those up automatically. Now that's extremely useful. So you can see here as well in the sprite editor, it has automatically how it. If you don't already have the animation or animator window open, you can simply go up to window again, animation, and then you've got both animation and animator, so we'll open both of those up. And you can dock them wherever you'd like. Our animation, as long as we've got the goblin or whatever sprite you're working with selected, and automatically doesn't mean the animation, and that's always just going to be walk animation issues.
Is it an issue if I thinking I don't need to touch the animation, so maybe I don't even need to change it. Maybe we can just there's these ones. And if I look at this one, basically the same thing, basically, more or less. Okay, I'm isolation. And I'm gonna move this in here like this. And I think I will remove this here. He had a sorting group. I'll remove that one here. Remove component like that. And the question is if I can, wait, where is it right now? It's up there. Need to move it down again by 5.494. How do I disable gizmos again? Where was it? Here? No. No. Fade gizmos. I don't want the gizmos at all. Annoying. Oh. Let's see. This one's more centered, isn't it? I mean, depends if you want to have it more pixel accurate. I'd rather have him offset, but I kind of want him to be one more down, like this. No? 6? Is it like 8? Is it like 6 holes? Oh, maybe, yeah. Yeah. -6. Why was it? I can't remember. Why is it even that big? Like, there's no reason for it to be that big, right? I'm gonna save this for now. I will leave the player for now. But I think we'll need to change this actually. That's gonna be annoying, I already know it. I'm gonna leave it for now like that. I'm gonna remove the model. And wait, maybe that's, I think that's okay, right? Let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens if I do that. And I will remove this. We have this one and display. Okay, it doesn't move anymore. That's why doesn't it? Oh, something broke. The variable sort of player has not been assigned. Like that? I forgot where that was. There was a script for that, wasn't it? Up here? Hi there. And I think I pulled that in, didn't I? Weapons? Go back to player. Sword. Gun. Save. Play. And now he moves again, but he doesn't play any animation, which is fine. And I'm trying to figure out what we can do. If I go with the player animator, then I will need to change the animations, I think. Right, this looks okay. Oh, that's what I wanted to do. Okay. I kind of want to fix the height first. Let me open this in Sprite. See, this is what I mean. Why the fuck is it that big? Like, there's no reason for it to be that big. This is mine, right? There should be a left and right animation. Yeah, that's the one that I fixed. Oh, not fixed, but changed. I split it up the directional animations to left and right, so I don't have to mirror anything. Let me just look through it real quick. I don't think we need that much space. We can make the size smaller. Yeah. So far it looks like it can be way smaller. And if it's way smaller, then I can just change the offset, the Y offset. Okay. Right. I forgot how you make the canvas smaller. Hey, Sprite, make canvas smaller. Sprite canvas size menu. But is that what I want though? I'm gonna drink something real quick. Hydrate. I see, yeah. I think that is what I want to do. So, yeah, frame. How was it again? Edit. Should have just checked again. Give me a sec. It is under Sprite canvas. Nice. Okay. There. All right. Let's make it 50. What happens if I do that? I see. And then let's press play and see what happens. I can't do that. I see. Maybe we just go by half for now. So let's go with 100. And I hope everything fits in there. Let's see what happens. The biggest ones are the sword slashes, I think. These ones. I think 100 is pretty good, wide enough. Upwards it looked also wide enough. Just see, not move up, but slash up or chop up. This is already pretty close. I think the chop up is more important here. Yeah. I'm gonna take this one. But maybe you should chop. I will check chop bottom as well. You see. Chop down. It's closer. You know what I mean? I can just take the top one. Chop up. And make it smaller there. I think this one, right? Yeah. So just make sure that the canvas stays in here. And then let's go with 80. Oh, that didn't change. Oh, that's a bit vertical. Okay, that's too much. Maybe 70, 88. I could go with 88. I'm gonna do that real quick and then we'll see what happens. This one fits. Flash fits, of course. And then let's go here. Ooh, I think this one might be a little bit cut off, but I'm not sure. If it isn't, it's perfect. If it isn't. What about chop down? That's far away. This one's not a problem. Question is also, do I want to move him more to the middle? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go back a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, this, and then I want the side slash like this one. And then I want, where is it? Sprite canvas size. 88. It's too much. 89. 90. 90. It should
Cheap
be
viewers
90.
on streammoo.com, remove the space at E0Bo.
Alright, thanks. Order -5. I think that's it. And then let me see FD/L. Same, yes it is. I think that's it. Yeah. I'm gonna save this. And now we just need to center it again. Unapply it. Sure. See what happens. Right, player. -6. I think -6 is fucked now. Where's 0, 0? 0, 0 up here? Just I think it is. See something real quick. Player. Where's the there? Why the fuck? Why? Where's the tree? Up there. But that's not the collision, that's the fadeable. This one's a collision. It's kind of hard to see the collisions, huh? Can I do this? And where's the player this? Oh. Like that? Oh, yeah. And now I can see, right? Okay, this is why it's stuck. The collision is slightly off now. Right? I feel like he's not centered anymore. Player 0, 0. I mean, he is centered for pixel, right? He's not really symmetrical. He has one more pixel on one side always, right? And I think if I put this on 0, what happens? He's up there. Does that make sense? Okay. Something's fucked here. Why do I need to move him down still? Like, I don't want to change there anything. Everything's here is correct. I don't know about the padding thing. Let me open this in Sprite again. This looks okay now too, so trying to figure out why the fuck this needs to be moved down even. Why do I need to move him down? That's where it should be, right? That's the box. So wait, I want to open him in isolation. Prefab, open as in isolation. Like that. And I want the... Why is it up? Where is this? Box is up there. So the player should be up here too. Oh, it's only only a little bit. Okay. See again. I'm gonna move him a little bit down. Like this. I think that's okay. So 2.8 now. Better than before, but still. Right. Why? Is it because kind of want to reset it, revert it? That? Or can't I see him anymore? What's happening? Is he too far down? Is that it? Oh, he's up there. He's too... Why is it so high now? I have a bad feeling about this. Where is the player down here? Why the fuck is the player up there then? What happens if I press like -1? Here he goes up even higher. Why do I need to have him that low though? Like, what's the issue? Is it because the box is that far down? I don't understand. Why do I need to move him there? Why? There should be no reason now that I changed the thing, right? Is it 5.9 even after I changed the size of everything? Kinda ass. Kinda ass. Not gonna lie. But that way it works, right? So I'm gonna do that for now. 2 and -5.9, I think. And then we'll see what happens. I mean, it looks like it works, okay. Let me just quick. I want this one. And I want a tree. And I want to see what happens. And I want the bottom box to be smaller, so you can get closer to the tree. But even then, it's just a test, right? We will change the tree either way, I think. Let me see. This is still, yeah, that's a buggy animation. Need to change the animation. But I think this is a better start now. And I don't need to change the collision box for now. I can just leave it like this. This works as intended. Okay. And let me see the player open in isolation. Yes. Not unpack. No, don't do that. Why can't I open it in isolation? There. Minus 2.8. Even here, right? So I guess I'll have to do it like this, 5.9. This is kind of weird that I have to do it that way. I don't really get why. Why is it that way? Well, it is what it is, and 0.22 would be this. This kind of doesn't make any sense. 0 should be correct. Why is it minus 0.2? I'm gonna say for now, but I don't get it. Like, why? How? How is this correct? I don't really get it, but it's okay, whatever. Is it because everything else is offset? Can't be. But I will keep it like this, it's fine. And we will go. Do I need to do anything here? Revert all, apply. Play it. Why is it 0, 0 now? Wait, okay, this one was 0, 0, right? Yeah, it was. I think. That should be it, right? I'm gonna commit this for now. So exploit file change, the meta file change, and the player prefab, that's all okay. Make canvas size of player a sprite smaller. All right. That's it. Now let's think. We can fix the animations. It's gonna suck a little bit, but we can do it. Animations, characters, player. There's this player animation over here. And it currently plays these animations. And I kind of want to delete those and import them back. Does that even make sense? Do I need to do that? No, but I can still delete those. I don't need those anymore, I think. Because they were scuffed either way. If I delete them now, I don't think that's the best idea. First we will switch everything and then we will remove them, I think. Okay, let's start with walk. Let's start with walk. So we have idle down. Idle down. It should be idle down, but it should be the idle down from the player exploit. And then we go next one. Which one was this? Move R? Move R. And this one should be also the move R from the player sprite.
Hello.
Hey there, how's it going? Trying to
Hey, I know this song. Sup, dude.
Sup. Trying to fix the animations right now. So I don't need to use the weird positioning.
Him in
from
this
Unity.
FYI.
I'm also in this FYI.
I know.
Okay, that sounded like a threat. That sounded like a threat. I know. Hey there. Going. Yeah. That's... Yeah. I mean, if you want, I can send you the jam link. All right. Yes, I know, I know. I remember.
Just don't want to talk.
But that's okay, Pat. You don't need to. Just lurk a little bit. Lurking around.
Aight.
He's a sicko. He's a sicko.
Nah, I'm good.
I don't think so. I think it's fine to
Me
go.
healthy.
No, Yasha is not in there. I think it's either
Probably
myself
true.
or it's Stream Elements. No, that was like 1 hour ago. Yep. All right, this looks good. This one seems cleaned up. Yep. All right. Let me just check real quick. Oh my god, why does it keep... I'm losing it, Greg. I'm losing it. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Now I know. I finally know what's happening. Fuck me. That's what I mean by the weird positioning in Unity. I positioned everything in the Unity animation, and now I moved it in the A-Sprite animation. And I was wondering why I can't move the player to be on exactly 0, 0. Every time I try to move him there, it gets displayed 5 pixels below. And now I know why. Okay, I'll need to fix these first, and then I can position the player correctly. Fuck me. Where was the animation again? Really? That's weird. But we changed it back to how it was. Like I tried to fix it without the offset, but that introduced new issues. So we reverted back to the original one.
Hi.
Hey there. You if we have time, you can show me, and then maybe I know what's happening. Because I spent like 3 days for that shit. Just to revert it back. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that.
Are you an artist?
I do art from time to time, but haven't done it in a while. Like occasionally, I drew something today, but I haven't scanned it in. I haven't outlined it yet. Greg, if you wanted to know, I tried to draw Jasper in a anime-like visual. nothing. But I was doing exercise, and while I was waiting for my cooldown to do the next workout, I drew him basically in the. I can scan it in and show you, but it's kind of it's work in progress. It's just a sketch, you know. Show it off, but I don't. Sure, but I wanted to try one first, you know, before I. Oh wait, I don't have anything installed here, right? I think I might do it later. Yeah. In your city branch, okay. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can quickly install my scanner. Because my PC got reset a couple of days ago, so not everything's installed yet. I don't think I can do it right now. I'll have to look at it later. But I can maybe show some old stuff of mine. Let me see real quick. Ba. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Teresa, if you're still there, I can show you a couple of old pictures I have until my scanner gets fixed. Like I said, my PC last Friday, right? Yeah, last Friday broke. It just stopped working. I don't know why. Still don't know why. I think it was the SSD, but I'm not sure. That also, yeah. I think it wasn't really an issue. I mean, the mouse works right now, right? But I think it was an issue with the battery. It got low and it disconnected while I was holding down the left click key, left mouse button. And I reconnected it through my cable, and then it kept clicking, like kept holding the left mouse button. What I don't get is I restarted it. I restarted my PC, and it still kept left clicking for some reason. Yeah, and then I wanted to reset it by pressing left click, right click, and middle mouse button because I read online that's how you reset this mouse of this manufacturer. And while I was turning it on again, it already got reset for some reason. I didn't even do the hack that was posted online, which is kind of weird, but it is what it is. I hate that sometimes when stuff just works again. I don't know why. I just doesn't help because if it happens again, I don't know how to fix it. Yeah, I see. Oh, I just remembered. You don't hear the music, right? But Pet might. Let me see. I just noticed that I think new album from Lisa came out today. Was it today?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let me just show you a couple of songs.
I muted your stream.
Oh no. Wait. Why is he lying? For a second, I actually thought you muted me.
I'm listening to this.
Oh, you're in Discord. I didn't see. I don't hear anything. While streaming, you don't hear any sound effects. And how's it going? Screw. Don't say anything weird, Hans. Don't say anything weird. Don't think of the pink elephant in the room. Hey. I think this is fixed now. In quotes, fixed. Yeah. Look. Do you see it? It's fixed. wait. Yes. Let me show you. It's funny. Look, I'm walking, right? Oh, no, you didn't. The animations were off. I'm fixing the animations. Look right now. You look? Okay, now I'm running. And that's my issue. That's the old animation, and what I did is I moved the animations up and down because I couldn't change the ASprite file. And now I can change the ASprite file, and now I have to rewrite everything, you know? But let me show you something. You see, I haven't, it's my branch, I didn't push anything in May. But you see this? Do you see it? You're looking at the new rolling animation, the better animation. It is. It doesn't have. It is better because there was like a backpack behind him that was shown for like a couple of seconds. You could see it like a fading image or like a ghost image, and I changed it in ASprite now, and I can just use the animation from ASprite now. I just need to move him up again once I'm finished, and then. Because I need the experience first of all, and I want it to work for now until we have a better one, you know? Yeah. I will just use the same file. Maybe make a copy just so we can reuse it for another project or something like that. And then draw everything new, basically. Yeah, you can, but we will need to figure out how to do it because it will add like a third dynamic to it, dimension. You know what I mean? Right now I have the items that I can animate for every animation, and as soon as you add more items to it, you will also have to tell them where to go in that animation. You know, it's gonna make it longer, basically. You know what I mean? I can also show you if you, but it's okay if you can follow that. I don't need to show anything. Is it okay now? Because Greg told me it's still. Why though? Didn't we change the offset back to how it was? But I changed the pivots for all tie sets. Everything I touched. What? Okay, I didn't, but I didn't even. Did we even change the cropped animation? Like, I don't remember. I think. I guess. You're losing it. Yeah. I see, yeah. So animations are fixed now, and I just need to move the player. Wait, what? Mm. uh... I can feel the anger rising in us. The what?
Hydrate.
Thank you. Hydrate. He's losing it. He's losing it. Okay, Ans, this time he's too far high up. What did you change something here with the placement of the player? No? So I guess I still need to move him down then. Maybe just half, like 2.4, 5, 6, 7. You know what I mean? Like I don't need to move him to 5.9 anymore. Just half, but still. You see what I mean? What are you doing in general with it? But does it look okay now? I mean, okay.
Are your audio
Y-
settings right? Can't hear Ans.
You can't hear him because I disabled Discord. Now you can hear him. And say something.
Hello, hello, hello. Bananas, bananas.
So this whole time I was talking to you guys, people didn't hear you, and people might thought that I
Hello.
was crazy.
Oh, nice. That's funnier.
That's funnier.
Perfect.
Just out of nowhere. No, you're stupid.
Perfect.
Wait.
Finally, I have a voice.
I'm free.
Damn, I should have kept you muted, man. I don't like hearing my own voice on stream. That's just terrible.
I don't find it terrible. I like your
Especially
voice.
with the sickness.
I don't hear it
How long have you been sick?
too long.
3 weeks.
The longest of all of us.
Are you going for a top score over here?
He's going for it.
Well, I mean, I'm okay in every other aspect, but I just still have a cough, unfortunately. No matter how much tea or water or soup I drink, it doesn't seem to go away.
Here's what I mean. See this? Hans?
Yeah, I'm looking.
This is 0-0. And for some reason, the player's up here. And I will move him now to minus 2.8.
Wait, why is the box of the player like half, or what was that?
That's the collision box.
And why was that half?
So you can,
okay, because he's not that high up. Okay, he doesn't take the whole space.
It's more for depth stuff. So basically, if you run into a tree, it stops here and not up here.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Okay.
My brain already hurts looking at these My brain is like, nah, dude, we worked enough today. I don't want to think. I'm getting a headache just looking at the freaking y minus 2.8 to make it centered. I'm just gonna be like,
I
okay.
can show you why. It's pretty easy actually, but let me just put correctly.
Do what you gotta do,
Nine's
bro.
doing 2.9, 2.85. What the fuck? He's gonna put
It's on
pi in
two-
there.
It's on
Is
2.12.
No, you gotta lower it by 3.1425 or whatever.
And now it should work once I reset this. How do I revert only this one?
Welcome to Unity, bitch.
Revert. That's how. All right.
When are we switching to Godot? Why isn't it called Godot?
Because it's French.
Godot?
I guess. I don't know.
I want to just pronounce it Godot.
Is that
just
thing
to-
on the left, like the flashing? Does that also happen? on
Godot
your
is
side?
nice.
It doesn't happen on
Is
my
that the
side.
is that the perfect pixel thing? Maybe.
That's a gizmo. Gizmo. Maybe it's just
Oh, kind
Gizmo
of
for some
nightmare gizmo. is that?
Gizmo.
maybe it's the camera gizmo.
Yeah,
maybe.
that says Godot. Godot is nice.
Yeah, Godot is nice.
I really like Godot.
Godot be nice.
Actually, I don't. I tried it for like half a second and then I turned it off.
That's how bad it was, huh? That you couldn't even
So, you
withstand
want-
it for half a second.
You wanted to know why the player needs to be set off, right?
Yeah.
Let
if
me
it
show
doesn't
you.
take too long.
See? That's why, because there's a canvas that is bigger than the player, and the reason why it's bigger than the player is the animations for the attack.
That's fine, but wouldn't it be
Uh,
centered?
What do you mean?
Wouldn't all of the animations be centered on the 0, 0?
Yeah,
of
but it's
the-
offset by a bit, isn't it?
It's still offset.
It's
by
not
that,
in the
yeah.
center here.
What I mean is, why do you have to move it by 2.8 to put it at the bottom of this picture to center it?
Rivals got an update, by
Because
the way.
he's off by 2.8 here. Hans.
He's not. He's in the center.
Not
No, he isn't.
really. No.
He's
not
above
really.
the center.
Let
Yeah, but
me-
like, good enough. I
Let
think.
Well,
me-
he's above the center by 2.8, probably.
let me show you something real quick. The slash, if I do the chop down or slash down. See how the slash goes like till here, right?
Yeah.
And if I mirror it, it goes to up here. So I'm up 2 boxes. You know what I mean?
Why is it like that? Why? Oh, is there any animation that covers that bottom area?
No. That's as furthest as it goes, I think.
Why
Maybe
the fuck
maybe a
did
little
they
bit
make it
further,
this
maybe
way?
till here, right? And if I go up, where is it? Chop up, like here. That's how far I go. So basically, I could move him a little bit, but then he wouldn't be centered anymore when he idles. Basically, you know, this is.
But I
This
still
is
don't
as-
understand why
as
why did
centered
they
as it
make
goes.
it this way?
I don't know, man. I could move him
Shit.
down a little bit, right?
Is
but
this the
then-
right sprite to be
Yeah,
editing?
how about we just make a whole new sprite? Jesus
Why-
Christ!
I don't know about
it's so
new
complicated.
sprite, but
It's not a
like-
problem. I fixed it now. It's fine. Right? I
Alright.
mean, if you look, right?
Yeah, I mean, as long as it works, I don't really
It
care
works.
what the
It
background
works.
stuff is.
Look, it looks nice. Animation looks good. Why is there like a
Yeah.
blue?
I don't know.
What's that?
That's a you issue.
What
What
do you
is
mean?
that?
It's a what is that?
I've never had that. That looks like camera clipping.
Yeah, that looks like camera clipping.
The only thing that could be is the
Order?
order.
Maybe the screen size.
Is the camera also on 0? No, that'd be weird.
It doesn't matter right now. This is our test
Yeah.
scene. As long as it's not on your side, it's okay. I will push these two. So we change the animation controller and we change the prefab. Fix and
Somehow I feel like we
animations.
shouldn't
Yeah.
keep this this character animator for future projects because it's given us so many headaches.
I mean,
We
it's
should get a more simple character controller, I think.
We will wait. Not the character controller is the issue, though.
Or not controller, but like character animation.
Yeah, but we will still create our own. So
Yeah,
know?
well, if the one that we create better be a lot simpler than this one. I mean, this one's
What do you mean
I don't know.
simpler? Because I don't think it will
Maybe
be.
put all the animations as extra things that aren't part of the actual sprite of the character. For
I
one.
don't like that. I don't like that.
I don't know about that.
I like
Why
this
not?
better because you can just turn off stuff here. They're all their own prefabs. Look,
Yeah,
you can turn
that's
these off if
fine.
you wanted to. We also do. We turn off the sword and the gun. You know. Basically, look,
But-
if I load the
Okay,
thing,
but I mean, at the very least,
Yeah.
the character
Yes.
should be centered on this thing.
it is centered now because I had to move him down a little.
Oh yeah,
Center-ish.
but that's kind of yeah. I mean, it's kind of trash.
I don't know.
Why do it
I
that
don't know what
way?
to tell you. This. I don't know how to fix it. That's all I can say.
I don't know why they did it that way.
We could maybe. Is there like a? Let me check. Open sprite editor. Is there like a slice?
Well,
It
we
is
got another
center.
issue.
It is center.
Hold on. We got another issue, and this is a big one
What?
because
What?
Greg's making sprites for the NPCs, and that art style looks very different from this one.
Yeah.
That's a problem.
Well, we're changing this one anyway. The art style.
Yeah,
is
but
not
how
gonna be
much?
this. I don't know. I mean,
Guys.
either way, we're gonna have to change those. Those NPCs aren't permanent. They're not the final state of them. We just have to
Neither
figure
is
out
this
what-
neither is the player, so it's kind of hard
Yeah.
to tell like where we're gonna meet in the middle. You know?
You'll figure it
Yeah.
out.
We'll figure it out. Yeah.
That's a problem for another day. That's a
Yeah.
problem for future rounds.
Yeah.
Mm,
Not Hans.
please,
No.
Please, not Hans. Don't give Hans art
Please,
stuff.
not
Future Yasha, future Greg, future Yatters. Not. I don't know about Hans. Hans,
I mean,
you don't
I'll
even have to worry
try.
about this ever.
I'm a-
Don't even think about it.
I'm gonna quickly playtest your scene to see if it works.
Rip.
City scene. Oh, Hans is-
Oh shit, it works.
What happened? What was
What?
that?
I think you died.
I
Oh,
died.
no, you couldn't have died.
Ah!
why would he be dying? It's not
Why
even
are you
nighttime
moving
yet.
so fast? Huh? What
is
did you press?
My shift.
It's like you keep moving faster and faster or something.
You're the Flash now.
What the fuck?
Boom, boom, boom. Look at that teleport.
That shift is janky, dude. I never press shift, so I
Dude,
don't
I'm
know what's
pressing
going on.
shift and rolling, and sometimes I don't know what happened, but sometimes I
What the
teleport.
Fuck, dude.
a
New
new
exploit.
spell. Yeah,
Let's
new
go.
exploit.
How? Like, am I dying instantly? What? So I'm
No,
pressing
you're
Whoa,
not.
shift
the
and
time.
space.
Yeah, the time is definitely skipping, so it's killing
Is
you.
it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
So you're what?
and I'm pressing
Yeah.
shift and space, like you know. And
So you're dying. I
But
mean,
it-
that's calling the death the death event, because it's turning your controls off, which is the death event.
no, it's
So
not.
something's
I can
happening for
still
you to
move.
die.
I can still move.
No. It moves you. What? How can you move? What? Oh yeah. Okay, no. Because okay, now I remember. I put in a test thing that when you press shift, sorry, the roll button. Every other time you press roll, it changes the time. I forgot about that.
Great answer.
Dude, I forgot all about that.
Good shit.
I was using that to test stuff. You could turn that off. Shit.
Okay, but it
Yeah,
still
yeah,
it
I
still
remember
works,
that.
right? It's
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Right?
I forgot
The
to turn
rolling
that.
animation is nice if you don't suddenly teleport somewhere, but anything else, like
Yeah, every other time you roll, you're gonna go at the speed of light because it
And
turns it
instantly
off.
kill
and on.
yourself.
I'm fucking Neo.
No, it's not. It's
Look at
not death.
me.
It has nothing to do with death. It's just making time go 5 times as fast. So you're not dead. Jesus, or 100 times faster. I don't know. One
Alright.
of those. Looked like 5 times though.
All right, I'ma push my changes. I did push my changes. I'ma merge my changes. Where was this again? Down there. Fix animations and nah. Let's just go with fix animations. There you go. Squash and merge. And then I'm a look into Greg's problem real quick. Give it like 10 minutes. Okay, merged. Fetch. Long fetch. What's it called? The branch? City. Check out. Switch real quick to the Unity so it can load. City. Update. Switch back.
Yasha, who cares about rivals? We already got our new game, Repo.
Man, that repo smiley is still a nightmare. though.
Look what I. Why is it even blurry in here? This shouldn't be blurry. Greg, why is the character blurry on your
Already
branch?
patch it.
Okay, all right. I'm
Is
a
he blurry?
patch. It is. He is blurry. Yeah. Look,
I have
like
no idea.
he moves and it's blurry for some reason. Like which branch? did you...
I'm also wondering where the map is. What the hell? Like, you shouldn't be in space like that. It should actually be a map.
I'm in
There.
space. Let me just open city again. Did you maybe not push it?
It's all pushed.
He pushed it, yeah. I never went in there, but I know I pulled.
I'm
a lot
in.
of
I'm
times
in the city branch, right?
Yeah, but check the grid.
Wait, I just want to know. I want to clarify. I'm in the city branch, right? Okay.
City branch. That's the right branch. Yeah.
Okay, let me update real quick. Fetching. I'm gonna switch the scene real quick. And then go back to city. Why is it not there? Want me to close it and open it again?
Click on the grid in the hierarchy. Like open aufklappen the grid.
Is it
and
invisible
take
or
a look
something?
inside.
Maybe it's invisible.
Auto layers
Check your
-2.
no.
I think it's
Open
supposed to
the. That's supposed to be like that. Open the window tile palette.
I guess I'll go update Marvels.
It's under 2D.
Give me a second so I can update my owl rabbits as well. Looks like it is
Alright,
already
then.
updated. Okay. Where?
I guess I'll update it too.
Window 2D, tile palette.
Yeah, check out the tile palette. Do you see something in here?
No. I see
Yeah, that's
Harvest
weird.
Doom, but I don't see city. Man.
I have no idea when I check the branch. I have no changes,
Is it under tile set
so
city?
it's all pushed.
Is this all?
Yeah. Check the images. Where are you? Oh yeah. That's it right there. Yeah.
What's this? Missing sprite. Sprites are missing.
What sprite is missing?
All.
Hold on, I gotta catch up in the
All
stream.
of them.
Oh, why?
I don't know. Did you use a sprite atlas?
Yes,
Where is it?
that one.
This one?
The fourth from the left.
None. Objects are packing none. That's why maybe.
I did drag something in there though. I think the city image I dragged in there. You could try dragging it in again and see what happens.
I did.
Back preview. Does it change anything?
No.
Come on, Kia, get some attention.
I wonder why.
Jesus.
But
I have
Ans
absolutely no
said
idea.
that it
For me, it
works for
works.
his side, right? On
I
his
guess
side
it works
is?
for Hans. Maybe. I mean, he said he hasn't actually pulled the branch or he hasn't checked it in a long time or something.
I guess we should just let Ans check it.
Yeah.
know?
I guess so.
I think that would be just in case it's on my side. Before I invest time into this, and then it's on my PC right now, an issue, you know.
I guess so.
Up.
Wieso läuft das so weird?
How do you like this?
How do I like what?
This city map.
Oh, yeah, because all the sprites are missing.
No, it's because
For some reason.
I switched the branch while being on the city scene. It doesn't even exist anymore.
Ah. But at least you saw something. I mean, it wasn't invisible that time. It was just pink.
Yeah, but it didn't. The scene didn't even exist. You know what I mean? It's just some guess image fragments or something. All right. I fixed what I wanted to
It's
fix.
It's like that TV with the ass to ass face like imprinted on the screen. You didn't see that in Wave Chamber?
No.
I think Ans posted it. Like some guy was selling he was selling a TV, like a big widescreen TV that has the ass to ass guy face like imprinted into it, so that when you turn the TV off, you just see the ass to ass face.
I think it's burnt into the LCD.
Yeah.
I do wonder how he did that.
Yeah, good shit. Ant, can you pull the city branch and see if it looks okay for you and if it's just a Yatters thing?
Roger.
Because on my end, for sure, the sprites work, and I see the city.
Yeah, do that real quick, and I will stop the stream now.
All right.
All right.
Ready.
Yeah.
See